Is Alizwa Right from Current High School, currently doing grade 9. I'm going to deliver a speech about disabilities. Disabled children cannot study in schools where there is no special help for them. Also, another thing is that they cannot participate in extramural activities, which causes them to think negatively about themselves. In public schools, children can discriminate against them, like saying they cannot do anything for themselves, and they don't deserve to be in their school. They should have gone to the school for activity as playground. For instance, in my school, a person in a wheelchair will not be able to study there. In my school, they won't be able to move around freely because in my school there are stairs and no ramps that are suitable for them. They won't be able to change periods quickly, and they will take up a lot of space in class because our classrooms were not made for the disabled people. In my school, extramural activities require people who can walk, not a person who is in a wheelchair. A person who is in a wheelchair shouldn't allow anything to hold him or her back because him or her disability does not define him or herself. They shouldn't allow anything negative people around them say, but they should always be positive and prove them wrong. They shouldn't allow people to tell them what they can and what they cannot do because only you can know your ability and only you can hold yourself back. But one important thing from all the above things I said is that you should accept yourself and look at yourself the way you want people to look at you. In my school, there's a stereotype that people in wheelchairs cannot do anything for themselves. But that stereotype is not true because they can do things for themselves. What we can do to show people that people in wheelchairs can do things for themselves is that we can invite people who are in wheelchairs to my school so that they can play sports like netball and rugby, so they can change their minds about them and see that they can do things for themselves. What I want in my school is that the school could make our school to accommodate disabled people and make our classrooms a little bigger so they can also be able to move around in class. Also, people should be aware that these people are performing well academically, so they shouldn't think they are stupid. Thank you.